Hey there, my name is Colin and I just finished pressure washing my driveway with my new pressure washer hose. Works really good, I was really happy with it. First things first, it's lightweight, so like this is easy to grab and to wrap back up when I'm done with it, so it's easy to store as well because it's so light. Other things that are really good about it, it's got that universal adapter on there, so it should fit on any pressure washer, fit on mine. And you're capable with this thing of having really big pressure. So it's up to 3,600 PSI for the water, and I think it's up to 10,000 PSI for burst before it bursts, which is way more than my pressure washer can output. So like this is gonna do everything I need it to and more for sure. And the other thing is it's kink resistant. So yeah, sure, you can like kind of kink it like if you really try, but then you let go and within a matter of seconds, it's right back to normal. And when there's water actually going through this hose, it works just fine. So I'm really happy with it. I needed a new hose for my pressure washer. Worked just like I expected it to the first time I plugged it in, and I'm gonna continue using it.